Roleplay 6. Discussion at shoe shop.
Faris wants to buy a formal shoe. He goes to the shop and talks with the shopkeeper as follows.
Hi.
Hello, yes, tell me what may I do for you?
Yes, I want to buy new shoes.
Okay, I will show you the shoe. But first, tell me what kind of shoes you would like to buy. I mean normal or formal?
Yes, I want to buy formal leather shoes.
Okay, I'll just show you. Sit here. Now see how this one is.
Okay, I try. This shoe is too tight. Do you have a larger size than this?
No, brother, it is not tight, actually. You are wearing it for the first time, and it is new, that is why it looks tight. When you will wear it every day, it will look fine. By the way, let me show you a bigger size. Please specify your size number.
Yes, my size number is 6.
Okay, try this one.
I am sorry. This is very large. I want a size smaller than this.
Okay, no worries. Try this one.
Wow, wonderful. This is perfectly fitted.
Okay, so do you want this?
No, I don't want this one. I want to buy black shoes. Do you have black shoes of this size?
Yes, we have shoes of every color available. Let me show you a pair of black shoes. Look, here it is.
Yes, this one is perfect. So do one thing. Please pack this one.
Done, sir. Any other services?
Yes, I want to repair this part of my slipper.
Okay, I will do that.
When will it be ready?
It may take some time to get ready, so you'll have to wait for a while.
However, about how long this shoe will be ready?
You may take it within 1 hour.
Okay, thank you. How much total should I pay you?
1,500 INR including repair.
Okay, here is the payment.
Thank you.
Does not matter. I'll come back again after an hour.
Yes, sure.
Thank you so much, bro Amir.
You are welcome.